Hi guys, my name's Julianne and today I'm giving an honest review of the Eureka WhirlWind Canister Vacuum Cleaner. So I just want to say this vacuum cleaner is a total game changer because it's so versatile. First off, let's just take a look at the tube attachment. So this tube is huge, so flexible and very long, so you can reach all of those hard to reach places. Maybe you're getting your roof or you're getting your stairs. It's so long, so you can have so much to work with, which is super cool. And not only is it just at this length, it also comes with an extension tool that can get longer as well and shorter. So you simply can pull it out or make it shorter. So you literally can like reach your roof with this so easily. So it's totally game changer. It's super easy to attach. You simply just click it in place, boom, and just like that. So this is how you can use it also with this vacuum attachment. So you can put it onto this if you want to use an extender, or you can use it without it. But it's so easy to piece together. You simply just click it in place, and then that's how you can use your vacuum floor attachment or upholstery, whatever you want to do. And then something that's also super cool is if you're using it on carpet, you can flick it down and it pulls up the bristles. Or actually, no, sorry, if you're using on carpet, you want to pull the bristles up and then it pulls them up for you, and then you can pull them down if you're using it on like hardwood floor or whatnot. So super cool and versatile. It also has different modes for whatever flooring you're using it on. So you'll see right here, it has different modes that you can switch to. So this vacuum is amazing on hardwood floor, carpet, tile. So versatile and very powerful. It also has such a spacious canister, so it's so easy to store dust and whatnot, and you don't have to empty it a million times, which is awesome. You can use the vacuum in handheld and upright position. So if you want to use it in handheld position, you simply can just take off this attachment right here, and then boom, we have it in handheld form. And so you can also have this attachment on with the brush, or you can pull it down and use it regularly like this. So super cool. So such a versatile vacuum cleaner. It's very powerful. And another cool feature is it has a retractable outlet. So I have the outlet plugged in right now, but if I was to push this button, it simply retracts back into the vacuum cleaner. So like a total game changer. You no longer have to wrap a cord around the vacuum cleaner. It stores inside the vacuum. So it's so cool. The vacuum is also not loud at all as well. So let me just go ahead and turn it on for you guys. So it isn't too loud, which is absolutely awesome. I know some vacuum cleaners can be super loud. This one isn't loud at all, which is awesome. And it's also so easy to store. As you can see, it's not huge. It's a nice, just medium size. It's still very durable. It's got huge wheels, making it super easy to glide across the floor. It's got 3 wheels right there, or you can put it in this position just like that. So very versatile, super easy to reach all of the hard to reach areas in your house in so many different ways that you can use it, handheld, upright, all the fun stuff. It's wonderful for carpet, for hardwood floor. It's also wonderful on upholstery, and I'll use it to clean my car sometimes as well. And it's so good with pet hair because I have a dog, and it's so great at getting all of those dog hairs. And let me go ahead and show you guys it in action really fast. So let me sprinkle some dirt onto the table. So as you can see, I've got some dirt right there, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and show you guys just how powerful it is, especially even on hardwood floor as well. So in the handheld position, boom. So you can see it literally was pulling at the dirt before I even got it close. So you can see the power is amazing in so many different forms. It's so versatile, and it's very space savvy. So I definitely recommend this vacuum cleaner.